mahirap masabi na last minute and a half, kung lamang ka pa ng 10, hindi mo masabing manalo ka na di ba? Dahil sa 4 points, bad decision lang kayo, makatakbo yung kabila, then makashoot ng dalawa, dikit na kagad. So I think nakakatuwa and nakaka-excite.
No lead is safe na talaga ngayon sa PBA kahit manalo ang Meralco sa Magnolia 99-94 sa unang laro ng PBA Season 49 at ng Governors Cup ngayong Sunday, August 18 dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Ito'y dahil nakita natin kung gaano ka-deadly na pwede maging weapon ang 4-point shot. Down by 3 in the last few seconds, nagkaroon pa ang Magnolia ng chance na hindi lang tumabla, kundi lumamang ng tuluyan. Pero nagmintis lang si Hotshots import Glenn Robinson III sa kanyang 4-point shot sa top of the key. Bago nun, 3 players ang nakashoot sa 4-point line sa buong laro. Meralco veteran Chris Banchero made PBA history by becoming the first player to do so early in the second quarter. Si Bolts reserve Jolo Mendoza naman ang sumunod with his bank shot na 4 points. Si Paul Lee lang ang nakashoot sa Magnolia sa early fourth quarter. The result allowed the Bolts to hold on as they continued their winning ways after capturing their first PBA championship in franchise history last June in last season's Philippine Cup. Panoorin kung ano masasabi ni na Bolts coach Luigi Trillo at Magnolia star Paul Lee sa 4-point revolution.
Games, right? You're up by 5, you hit the 3, if you foul and we make 2, they still have, even if we make 2, it's still an opportunity, right? So it's a makeable shot, it really depends. Right? With us as a game plan, do you foul and do you put them on the free throw instead of getting 4 points? That's something that as a staff we decide on, right? But he fired it up, and I think the PBAs, when you're moving forward, you have to be able to defend that perimeter better, right? So it's hard. If I'm a guy who can shoot there, like AD was near the 3-point, 4-point line, when guys are closing out, it's a whole lane going downhill. So I think versatility is key. I think playing in Japan's also opened up your 3-point shot. Like AD for us was always inside, diba? Now he's operating. I think the weapon that he brings in is you're comfortable playing outside too. Remember in Japan they're 4 imports, so he plays it differently.
Once you shot 40% from 4-point range, is this a weapon moving forward? The way you shot it tonight, is it still being a regular weapon of yours?
Conventional, sasabihin mo, you always want to go back to the 3, but it is. If you look at analytics, right? Like if you're able to make it at a good percentage, you have to take those shots, right? So it makes it exciting in terms of, guys can come back. It makes the game faster. And to us, we don't know really the final solution or answers here, but it will explore as the games get by, right? But you notice some of our players planted sa 4 points. We have confidence in them. They can make it. If it's an open shot, we'll allow them to take that.
All right, thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Thank you. Salamat, boys. Thank you.
Ng 4-point shot. Kamusta yung experience mo na nadagdag yung makes the game more exciting. Kaya kanina, down by 2 lang kami. Even 2 free throws na shoot, we still have a chance na matay. Chris missed 1. Isa lang yung shoot niya. So we're down by 3. Now we got a chance to tie and maging lumamang pa ng isa. So I think yun yung mas nakaka-excite. So hanggang dulo, mahirap masabi na last minute and a half, kung lamang ka pa ng 10, hindi mo masabing manalo ka na di ba? Dahil sa 4 points, bad decision lang kayo, makatakbo yung kabila, then makashoot ng dalawa, dikit na kagad. So I think nakakatuwa and nakaka-excite.
Brother, ito yung unang in-expect ng mga
tao.
Yes.
Take that shot.
Ah,
Pero
you know, yung Meralco, they respect it right away. So if you see Chris Banchero kanina, how they play defense on me, talagang walang space na binibigay sa akin. So I just got lucky. Yung na-shoot ko na yun is on the fast break. Na-set up ako ni Mark. So,
What did you expect na, yun nga, sinabi mo kanina, well-defended ka ng Meralco?
Yeah.
Expect mo na ba na kahit sa 4-point line pa lang, ganun nakadikit?
yes. Kasi syempre, kung mashutan ka, masakit. Kagaya na nangyari sa amin. Mashutan kami ng 2 beses. Dikit yung laro, biglang lumayo ka agad. So, mabigat yung ganung mga klase ng situation. Mag-iiba ka agad ng mag-iiba ng situation ng laro ka agad.
Heading forward, do you think Magnolia will start focusing on the 4-point?
No. We're not looking to it. If you're open, just take it. And alam naman sa team namin kung sino lang yung mga tumitira talaga doon. So we're not gonna force na, alam mo yun, na parang, sige, tira ka lang dyan or what. So,
Paul, sabi ni Coach kanina, decoy kayo dun sa last play.
Yeah.
Dalawang guards.
yeah.
May ano ba na kunin mo na lang yung bola?
No. I mean, I'm a good soldier. So, kung ano yung, kahit sino pang coach yan, never naging above yung player sa coach. So, kung ano yung sinabi ng coach, yun lang yung susundin namin.
Hindi ka nanggigil.
No. And Glenn is playing well. So, I mean, he's an import. So, bakit ako makikipagsapawan sa kanya or bakit ko kukunin yung bola again? Hindi naman yun yung niran na play. So, I'm just following the play, the right play.